So in this video, I will be discussing energy, and energy is the ability to perform work. There is two types of energy. There is potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is the ability to perform work due to the position and is the amount of energy stored within the object. And the equation for that is the mass of the object times acceleration due to gravity, which gravity will always be 9.8 times the height. And then the definition for kinetic energy is the ability of the body when in motion to perform work through the motion. And the equation for that is 1/2 times the mass of the object times velocity squared, and this will eventually give you meters per second. And kinetic energy will always end up being in joules. And for this example, we will be watching a squat jump, kind of similar to what we did in lab.
Heels as much as you can. Jump straight up as force possible.
So as you can see, their kinetic energy will be 0 because at their peak, which is like at the top, the object was not in motion, resulting the kinetic energy to be 0.